Hi, friends. Welcome to Talk Through Tales. Here, you'll enjoy stories in three levels. Level 1 is very easy, with simple words and short sentences. Level 2 is a little higher. You'll learn more words and practice longer sentences. Level 3 is advanced, with rich vocabulary and expressions to make your English strong. Step by step, these stories will improve your listening, speaking, reading, and writing. So, enjoy the stories and grow your English with us every day. Level 1. Story 5. The Wise Old Owl. Level 1. Once upon a time there was an old owl. He lived in a big oak tree. He was very wise. The owl watched everything around him. He saw children playing in the garden. He saw people working in the fields. He saw animals running in the forest. He saw many things every day. At first, the owl talked a lot. He gave advice to everyone. But many people did not listen. They made mistakes again and again. The owl thought, talking too much is useless. It is better to listen and learn. From that day, the owl became quiet. He spoke less. He listened more. He observed the world with his sharp eyes. People came to the owl for advice. They asked questions. The owl gave short and wise answers. Slowly, people started to respect him. The owl knew the secret of wisdom. He knew that listening is more powerful than speaking. The story teaches us a lesson. We should not talk too much. We should listen carefully. We should learn from others. The wise old owl became a friend to everyone. 1. Wise, having knowledge and good judgment. Example 1. My grandfather is very wise. Example 2. A wise person thinks before speaking. 2. Oak, a large and strong tree. Example 1. The oak tree gives shade. Example 2. Birds made nests in the oak tree. 3. Advice, helpful words or suggestions. Example 1. My teacher gave me good advice. Example 2. I took my mother's advice. 4. Useless, having no value or purpose. Example 1. This pen is useless, it has no ink. Example 2. Talking too much is useless. 5. Observe, to watch something carefully. Example 1. I observed the stars at night. Example 2. The teacher observed the students in class. 6. Secret, something hidden or not known by many. Example 1. I told my best friend a secret. Example 2. The old man knew the secret of success. Level 2. Story 5. The Wise Old Owl. Level 2. Once upon a time there lived an old owl in a tall oak tree. He was known as the wisest bird in the forest. He watched everything that happened around him. He saw children laughing and playing in the garden. He saw farmers working hard in the fields. He saw people arguing with one another. He also saw animals running and birds singing. In the beginning, the owl liked to talk a lot. He often gave advice to people and animals, but most of them did not listen. They repeated the same mistakes again and again. The owl thought deeply. He realized talking too much is useless. It is better to stay quiet, listen carefully, and learn more. From that day, the owl changed his habit. He spoke less and listened more. He observed the world with patience and calmness. Soon, people noticed his wisdom. They started coming to him for guidance. The owl gave short but meaningful answers. Everyone began to respect him. The owl discovered a great truth. Wisdom comes from listening, not from speaking too much. That is why people remember him as the wise old owl. 1. Wisest, the most intelligent and sensible. Example 1. He is the wisest man in the village. Example 2. The wisest student solved the problem quickly. 2. Arguing, talking in an angry way, disagreeing. Example 1, the children were arguing over a toy. Example 2, my friends were arguing about the match. 3, realized to understand clearly. Example 1, I realized my fault and said sorry. Example 2, she realized the truth after some time. 4, patience, the ability to wait calmly. Example 1, learning a language needs patience. Example 2, she waited with patience for her turn. 5, guidance, help, or advice to show the right path. Example 1, the teacher gave me guidance in studies. Example 2, I need your guidance to solve this problem. 6, truth, something that is real or correct. Example 1, always speak the truth. Example 2, the story teaches an important truth. Level 3. Story 5. The Wise Old Owl. Level 3. In a quiet village, there lived an old owl in a tall oak tree. He was known across the forest as a bird of great wisdom. From his high branch, he carefully observed everything around him. He noticed children laughing while they played. He noticed farmers working diligently in the fields. He noticed neighbors quarreling over small matters. He noticed animals searching for food and birds building their nests. In his younger days, the owl often spoke too much. He gave advice freely, but few people cared to listen. They made the same mistakes again and again. The owl grew thoughtful. He realized that wisdom lies not in endless talking, but in silence, listening, and reflection. From then on, he became quiet and spoke only when necessary. He listened with patience and observed with calm eyes. When people came for his guidance, he gave short yet meaningful answers. Gradually, everyone respected him and valued his words. The owl had discovered a timeless truth. The less we speak and the more we listen, the wiser we become. That is why he is remembered as the wise old owl. 1. Wisdom, the ability to use knowledge and good judgment. Example 1. The teacher's wisdom helped the students. Example 2. Wisdom grows with experience. 2. Observed, watched something carefully. Example 1. The guard observed the gate. Example 2. The doctor observed the patient closely. 3. Diligently, with hard work and care. Example 1. She studied diligently for the exam. Example 2. The workers built the bridge diligently. 4. Quarreling, fighting, or arguing with words. Example 1. The brothers were quarreling over money. Example 2. The children started quarreling in the park. 5. Reflection, deep thinking, or serious thought. Example 1. He sat in reflection after the meeting. Example 2. Reflection helps us to learn from mistakes. 6. Patience, the ability to wait calmly. Example 1. She waited with patience for the result. Example 2. Patience is important in learning. 7. Guidance, helpful advice or direction. Example 1. The guide gave us clear guidance. Example 2. Children need guidance from parents. 8. Meaningful, full of sense or importance. Example 1. They had a meaningful conversation. Example 2. His words gave a meaningful lesson. 9. Timeless, lasting forever, never ending. Example 1. Truth is a timeless value. Example 2. The poem carried a timeless message. 10. Respected, admired, and valued by others. Example 1. The teacher is respected by all. Example 2. He became a respected leader. Thank you so much for joining us on Talk Through Tales. I hope you enjoyed it and also learned some new words. Keep watching Level 1, Level 2, and Level 3 stories to improve step by step. Practice daily, and soon you will speak English with confidence. See you in the next story. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more stories.